Surah, number 85, of Quran Majeed. The houses.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
وَالسَّمَاءِ ذَاتِ الْبُرُوجِ.
By the heaven with its houses.
وَالْيَوْمِ الْمَوْعُودِ.
By the promised day.
وَشَاهِدٍ وَمَشْهُودٍ.
By the witness and the witnessed.
قُتِلَ أَصْحَابُ الْأُخْدُودِ.
Perished the people of the ditch.
النَّارِ ذَاتِ الْوَقُودِ.
The fire abounding in fuel.
إِذْ هُمْ عَلَيْهَا قُعُودٌ.
Above which they sat.
وَهُمْ عَلَى مَا يَفْعَلُونَ بِالْمُؤْمِنِينَ شُهُودٌ.
As they were themselves witnesses to what they did to the faithful.
وَمَا نَقَمُوا مِنْهُمْ إِلَّا أَن يُؤْمِنُوا بِاللَّهِ الْعَزِيزِ الْحَمِيدِ.
They were vindictive towards them only because they had faith in Allah, the Almighty and the All-Laudable.
الَّذِي لَهُ مُلْكُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَاللَّهُ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ شَهِيدٌ.
To whom belongs the kingdom of the heavens and the earth, and Allah is witness to all things.
إِنَّ الَّذِينَ فَتَنُوا الْمُؤْمِنِينَ وَالْمُؤْمِنَاتِ ثُمَّ لَمْ يَتُوبُوا فَلَهُمْ عَذَابُ جَهَنَّمَ وَلَهُمْ عَذَابُ الْحَرِيقِ.
Indeed, those who persecute the faithful, men and women, and do not repent thereafter, there is the punishment of hell for them and the punishment of burning.
إِنَّ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ لَهُمْ جَنَّاتٌ تَجْرِي مِن تَحْتِهَا الْأَنْهَارُ ذَلِكَ الْفَوْزُ الْكَبِيرُ.
Indeed, those who have faith and do righteous deeds, for them will be gardens with streams running in them. That is the supreme success.
إِنَّ بَطْشَ رَبِّكَ لَشَدِيدٌ.
Indeed, your Lord's striking is severe.
إِنَّهُ هُوَ يُبْدِئُ وَيُعِيدُ.
It is indeed He who originates and brings back.
وَهُوَ الْغَفُورُ الْوَدُودُ.
And He is the all-forgiving, the all-affectionate.
ذُو الْعَرْشِ الْمَجِيدُ.
Lord of the throne, the all-glorious.
فَعَّالٌ لِمَا يُرِيدُ.
Doer of what He desires.
هَلْ أَتَاكَ حَدِيثُ الْجُنُودِ.
Did you receive the story of the hosts?
فِرْعَوْنَ وَثَمُودَ.
Of Pharaoh and Tamud?
بَلِ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا فِي تَكْذِيبٍ.
Indeed, the faithless dwell in denial.
وَاللَّهُ مِنْ وَرَائِهِمْ مُحِيطٌ.
And Allah besieges them from all around.
بَلْ هُوَ قُرْآنٌ مَجِيدٌ.
Indeed it is a glorious Quran.
في لوح محفوظ.
In a preserved tablet.